from any screen onto telephone. You've got there searching for connected Bluetooth devices. There's none connected because I've just disconnected it from my phone here. Onto Bluetooth menu, and you see there Bluetooth. If for any reason you can't perform any functions, nothing works, just make sure there's a tick in that Bluetooth at the bottom at the top, sorry, by going back into telephone. Add new device, Barry's iPhone. So we'll click on Barry's iPhone. There we go, Barry's iPhone. You've got accept and connect or remove device. So I want to remove it. Click remove. That's it, gone.